at Firefly Grove Park, located in Wauwatosa, Wisconsin, which is located about 15 minutes west of Milwaukee, Wisconsin, to see the new sculpture, which is actually right down over there. This is a new park, I believe. At least it was renovated if it's not brand new, but it looks like it's all brand new. It just opened, and the sculpture here is kind of the highlight of it. We'll get an up-close look at this in a minute. This is a 25-foot tall sculpture titled Mama Rosa by Thomas Dambo, and it's the first to be installed in Wisconsin. So let's get a nice close-up look at this. You can see he's holding all the lampposts, which I'll show you in a minute. Around the park, they have broken ones. So here you can see the bottom of the light pole here. So you can see the sculpture right there. He's got all the lampposts, and here's one of the lampposts he got. Ripped it right out there. This is a side profile of the sculpture. Here's a 360-degree view of the sculpture, so you can see all the details and all the woodwork there. So here's a closer look at the recycled lampposts here. These were actually used prior, so instead of throwing them out, they actually repurpose them. And that's the whole idea of these sculptures. It's all reclaimed wood from different things that have actually been dismantled. For each sculpture that he does, he kind of writes his poem as a riddle to describe the actual sculpture. Here's the riddle for this sculpture.
Something funny with these flowers. Some have special needs and powers. There's no roots beneath these flowers. Rain, don't rain upon these flowers. Something funny with these flowers comes from nothing. In an hour, there's no honeybees. These flowers have no honey in these flowers. Something funny with these flowers stands all summer, won't go sour when the sun's asleep. These flowers glow. I wonder how these flowers grow.
Here's one of the park benches for the Firefly Grove. Little firefly here. And then there's a sculpture there. So this concludes the video of the Mama Rosa sculpture. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.